Hi, it's me. I'm in the kitchen. We got the top 5 ideas for Twix cookie bar dessert ideas for you. We're going to take these and make them into desserts. Different ideas. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to put about 5 of these bars into our food processor. We're going to make a Twix cookie crust or a Twix cookie pie crust pie. Just if you ever had a graham cracker crust pie with chocolate pudding, it's going to be a similar idea, except it's going to be, instead of graham cracker crust, it's going to be Twix crust. And then we're going to put in either chocolate pudding, vanilla pudding, or maybe some ice cream. You can use your favorite flavor like chocolate, vanilla. I like mint chip. So, take this out, take our crumbs, and we'll dump them into our pie pan here. And you get a second pie pan and you want to grease the bottom of it, because we're gonna, just like with a graham cracker crust pie, we're gonna use that to make an imprint and push it down, and we don't want it to stick when we pull it back up. Yeah. It still does. Caramel's really sticky. And that doesn't really work. Well, screw it. Let's just throw some ice cream on there and eat it. That's good enough, right? So, this is as good as anything. It's actually moose tracks. Mint moose tracks. Yeah. And now you can just eat it. Well, by the way, that's what they call an Easter egg. You have to watch some of my other videos to figure that out. Well, it doesn't always work, but the thing about Twix is it doesn't matter whether it looks good or not, it tastes good. Yeah, so if it doesn't work out, just eat it. Doesn't matter. All the same thing once it gets in your stomach, right? Mint and Twix is really good. Yeah. Much cheaper to buy in bulk. Like this, it's like half of what it is at the grocery store checkout counter. Keep a box in your pantry in case you have a sweet tooth attack. It's like half the price. Cookie pie dessert delight. Oh yeah, I'll put a link in the description box below where you can get your own massive quantities of Twix. Much more affordable that way.